Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video we have fetched all the accounts details. Now we are going to update the accounts. Okay, so here we have the accounts. There is a one account that is mine. So where it is, yeah, this is that one. So we are going to update this account ID. Okay, so here we have the code base. Let's use this for updating an account. Okay, after that we are going to go with the delete account, right? So let's comment this, not comment, we have to just put this, and here we have this account updated information. So here we require the account ID, so let's put the account ID. So here we have the account ID. Let's put this account ID. So here we have this account ID. Let's go and just add this account ID. Okay, so here we have this account ID, and this would be the put API with the payload you have to pass. So here we have the account ID, phone number I'm going to update it, and the description I'm going to put like this. Let's see, this would be updated or not. Okay, so let's go with the server, run it. It's updated. Let's go and just check, reload the before. The description is like, motivational brand. If I just reload this, so it should be updated, right? So it's updated 777 via Node.js. Okay, so this is how we can update in accounts in Zoho CRM via Node.js. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.